Welcome back. Chelsea and I love these bacon Gruyere egg bites from Starbucks. Now, it's not practical for us to go there all the time, but Chelsea's gonna show you a copycat recipe so you can make these at home.
This is a quick and easy recipe in the Instapot. You ready?
You're ready.
All right, here you go.
Watch the rest of the video.
So I did say this is an Instapot recipe, but we first need to blend 4 ingredients in a blender.
All right. Those 4 ingredients are just eggs, Gruyere cheese, bacon, and cottage cheese. The first ingredient, you want to grab 8 eggs. So let's grab a bowl. Chelsea's a little more savvy in the kitchen than I am. Her suggestion was to crack all the eggs in a bowl instead of cracking them into the blender. Just in case you get some eggshells, it's easy to grab them out of the bowl. Oh, just like that.
The first one you did it.
First egg. I just did that for the camera.
Well, I guess that proves my point.
Tip number 2, use the eggshell, and it's easier
Than your fingers?
to scoop out the eggshell. Yep. You want to grab a bowl
Yes.
for the eggshells? She hears eggs, so she
Yeah.
ran down the stairs. Our dog is so funny. She loves her eggs. But I'm not fancy at cracking eggs. I can't crack it with one hand. We're just 2 normal people in our kitchen, meal prepping, just like you guys.
Gotta keep an eye on there and make sure you don't get any more shells.
I know. It would be really easy just to go to Starbucks every day and just get the egg bites, but you know, life. All right, 8 eggs with 0 shells. What's the next ingredient? Cottage cheese. How much of this cottage cheese do we need?
1 cup of cottage cheese.
1 whole cup. So the funny thing is that we've actually used our videos for reference for recipes.
Oh.
We just did it recently.
Oh yeah, I go back all the time to find a recipe that we made that I really liked.
Right in here?
Yep.
Okay.
You can tell Ty hasn't made these before.
I'm not. I'm just the new person in the kitchen. If I could do it, I think anyone can do it. All right, what's next?
Cheese.
Cheese. How much cheese?
1 cup.
1 cup of cheese. So, we like to shred our cheese. It just comes out fresher, and that looks about right.
Just throw the rest of that cheese in there.
Well, we need 1 cup and 1 tablespoon. What's a 1 tablespoon?
That's for bacon. So I would just add that all in there.
Yeah, you know what?
A couple.
No one ever died with a little extra cheese.
No.
All right.
Good.
No, we gotta get every little bit. Okay, now we're good.
All right.
All right.
Next step is we need to cut some bacon strips up.
And this is the last ingredient, right? I think this is the best ingredient, bacon. So you can actually go and just get pre-made bacon, or if you like your bacon fresh, just pop it in the oven. What is it, 350?
Oh, put me on the spot. I think it's 400
400?
for about 12 minutes.
Yeah, just cook your bacon in the oven.
It's cleaner that way.
You know what? I'll pop it on the screen what we usually do. It is cleaner that way.
Less greasy.
Less greasy, and no splatters. Well, I guess there is, but it's in your oven. The bacon ends up flat. It doesn't curl up like if you're cooking it on the stovetop, right?
Yeah. Also, we've been cooking our bacon on the flat top.
Oh yeah, flat top. That makes it really easy, because then it's just outside. Oop.
Do a big batch of it.
How's that?
Good.
Right. So we need half a cup?
Half a cup. I think we're gonna need more.
Oh, yep. Man. I'm not a pro in the kitchen. This knife stuff, I'm very slow.
You should watch some videos.
I should. I just know that you have to like ride the knife against your knuckles. I'm just not very experienced.
Takes practice.
It does take practice. Okay, this should be enough. The
Yep.
good stuff right there.
Yep. Here also, you don't want to keep. I cut up the rest of that,
Oh,
and
yeah.
we're gonna have some.
To sprinkle on top, is that what this is for?
Yep.
Okay, so you need to add a half a cup to the blender, but then later on you need, how much? 1 tablespoon?
Roughly 1 tablespoon.
To sprinkle on top of each egg bite, right?
Yeah. And we can put that to the side.
Cha-ching. Okay.
All right, now we're gonna blend it. Ready?
Yep. There we go. All right.
So you're gonna blend it until it's smooth.
Yeah. I mean, that's like an eggnog consistency. Okay.
All right. Now the Instapot. And our silicone cups.
You're gonna wanna get some of these silicone cups if you wanna make this recipe. They fit perfectly inside the Instant Pot and they help release the egg bites very easily. This is the first time that we're going to use 2 trays and stack them. We'll see how that works. You've only used 1 at a time, right?
Yeah.
So you guys can learn from our mistakes. I think it's gonna work out pretty well.
All right. So we'll set up the Instapot first. Can you go grab 1 cup of water?
Okay, watch this. Alexa, ask Moen to dispense 1 cup of water.
When the light is solid, wave over sensor for 1 cup down.
Okay, we redid our kitchen. Look at that, exactly 1 cup of water. I love it. We don't even need measuring cups for water anymore.
No. And then you're also gonna need the trivet.
Does that come with the Instant Pot?
Came with mine. I believe
Okay.
they all come with a trivet.
Okay. Making sure.
All right. So now that's all set up. Now we will prepare the molds.
What do we do? Do we just pour it?
Grab your
Oh,
bacon pieces,
all right.
and you're gonna sprinkle some in each.
How many does this make?
This batch should make 14 egg bites.
I guess if you had a little extra bacon, no harm, no foul.
Correct. All right. Now you're gonna fill up each cup with your egg mixture, but you're gonna only wanna fill it about 3/4 of the way. Do not overfill them to the top.
Okay.
Next step, we're going to put aluminum foil on top of those. I'm going to spray the aluminum foil with a little bit of spray to prevent sticking if the eggs do bubble up a little bit too far. Okay.
Okay. Then we just throw it on top,
Yep.
spray side down.
Yep.
So you want to stagger the cups so the cups aren't on top of one another. If you don't, the cup will fall inside the next cup. So now what do we do? We
Just add those in.
just drop them in?
Yep. I don't know, you might want to try
Oh.
one at a time.
Okay. Okay, so cup is there, all right. And then, there we go.
I hope this works because this will be really nice when we meal prep.
Yeah, doing double the batch.
Yep. Alrighty.
All right, now that the Instant Pot's plugged in, how long does it go on for?
It's gonna be 10 minutes on high pressure. And then once that's done, it's 10 minutes natural release.
Okay.
All right, here we go. All right.
And it should just build up pressure automatically, right?
Oh, I forgot to say, you're gonna need at least a 6 to 8 quart Instant Pot for this recipe.
I'll put an affiliate link down in the description for the Instant Pot that we have and to all the tools that you're going to need if you decide to make this recipe. Did you ever have any issue with this building pressure? Didn't you have to like sometimes press down?
Every once in a while, you'll hear a little bit of
Like air leaking?
air leaking, and I just push down.
Okay. And then once it's sealed, it's good to go.
You'll hear it like hisses at you.
I've never used this before. She's here at my feet because she hears the cracking of eggs, knows exactly what it is. I know. I'm telling everybody all about you. Oh,
She was upstairs sleeping.
until we crack some eggs. Huh. Telling the whole world. Everyone, say hi to London. So Chelsea and I, we work full time like a lot of you guys, and meal prepping just makes it easier to eat good food during the week, right?
Also, it provides time for other important things. Going to the gym, other things.
Editing videos.
Video, spending time with family. So this is one of the recipes we really like to make our lives a little bit easier during the week.
Yeah, and breakfast is one of those things that I don't really plan time in the morning for it, so it's just easier to just grab it and go.
Yeah, this is easy to grab, bring to work. These are great because they store in the refrigerator for about 5 days, so it gets us Monday through Friday breakfast.
Yeah. The other thing too is because you're making them yourself at home, you can have the freedom of adding whatever ingredients you like. You don't need bacon or Gruyere. Use cheddar, use scallions, make it into little veggie egg bites.
I like to use whatever shredded cheese remaining or protein from the week. I like to kind of make my own concoctions.
Oh my God, you know what would be a good one?
What?
Like a little cheeseburger egg bite.
Oh, that would be good. I made pesto chicken ones.
Yeah, that was really good
really
too.
good.
So you can be creative and make your own flavor and variety of egg bites.
See, there's that little bit of a hiss. There we go. See, it went up.
Okay,
We're
that
good.
little plunger goes up.
We're good. It's cooking right now.
Oh, it's cooking right now?
Pressurized.
Okay, so this pressurizes. Once it hits pressure, you have to let it cook for 10 minutes
Yes.
after it hits pressure. And then cool down or depressurize for 10 minutes.
Correct.
Okay. I think it took about 5 minutes to hit pressure,
Yeah.
but you definitely want to stick around to make sure it's not going to leak.
You really shouldn't leave it. If you're using the pressure setting on these,
Yeah.
you really shouldn't keep them unsupervised.
All right, I'm new to Instant Pot, so I'm learning and I'm asking the questions to a seasoned veteran. All right, the Instant Pot just went off. 10 minutes of pressurized cooking. Now you just set a timer for 10 minutes
Yep.
to depressurize.
Natural release.
Natural release. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Shh. I'm gonna just make sure all of the pressure's been released so we can open up the
Okay, so how
lid.
do you do that?
I hit.
That's it? Oh.
So there's still a little bit of pressure in there.
Or else it'll make the lid very difficult to remove, right?
Oh yeah, you won't be able to remove it.
Okay, and then we can take it off?
You should. I'll just throw it in the sink usually.
Okay.
It's not gonna spill.
Yeah, because they're cooked,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ty's a little worried about how to get those out.
Well, now we can pull it by the trivet, right?
Yes, that's what I usually do.
Okay. Just be careful. We're not responsible for any injuries that you may incur in your kitchen.
Yeah. So let's see how this worked.
Look at those little bites of goodness in there.
So now I usually let it sit for about 5 minutes before removing the eggs from the molds.
Okay.
And in the meantime, I kind of
Loosen it. Oh, yeah, look at it.
see it. Sometimes they stick to the side. Someone was saying even in these molds, they have problems with them sticking, so they spray it. I've never had a problem. Maybe because there's a lot of grease in bacon? I don't know.
So when you remove them, do you just put a plate on
Yep.
and then flip it over?
Invert it over, yep.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah. That's why I like meal prepping with these. You can change it up and they're easy to make.
Wait, you only wait 5 minutes because it's too hot, right?
Yeah.
What if it's not too hot? Let's see. Ready?
I always let them cool down
Go.
a little bit. Beautiful.
Whoa! I mean, look at that. So you don't have to wait 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take it and go bloop. Just like that. Done. That actually worked for us, stacking these on top. And just to reiterate, just stack them so the seams are staggered. If not, one will fall inside the other.
The aluminum foil isn't that strong.
Yeah, so just stagger them. I just plated our egg bites up with Starbucks's egg bites. Let us know what you think. They kept their bacon a little coarser, which is fine.
But look at that. There's no consistency there.
No, yeah, that is true. Look at this one egg bite. First bite, all bacon. Next bite, nothing.
It's kind of disappointing.
And we're just gonna add my version of ketchup, which is, of course, sriracha. You wanted to, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't know until recently that Starbucks does have sriracha packets.
They were actually out of it when we picked these up. All right, taste test.
Where do you go for first?
I'm gonna go for ours. Oh, that's good. Good consistency, even throughout. I'll go with Starbucks. I think they're almost identical. Because of the larger chunks of bacon, the consistency is a little bit different.
Yep.
But maybe just leave coarser bacon in ours. This is one of my favorite breakfasts.
Maybe the next time, instead of putting all together and blending it, blend the cheese, cottage cheese, and eggs together, and then add the bacon and pulse it a couple times to mix it.
To keep it coarse.
To keep it coarse.
Yeah. But no matter how you do it, I think you guys are gonna like the flavor. And of course, play around with the ingredients a little bit. I like it. And that is how you do breakfast.